Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect accounts connected to your Canva profile from the Canva app. And before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Canva app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we have to go into the top left corner and then tap on settings and then tap on your account. Here if you scroll down, there are connected social accounts, and here we have Google right now. But if we tap on disconnect, we can disconnect this account from our Canva account. And then if we want to connect it again, we have to log in from there again. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Put a sub for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.